Guys, so
for Christmas
today nothing much to do. The kids are home and as usual singing master.
Christmas cake, Christmas laffities.
Ethan loves singing. Maybe one day Ethan will become a musician. And this is, who is this?
Hello.
So yes, that's Leo for you. So yes guys, nothing much to do. The kids are home for halftime. We've gone through up to Thursday, so thank God. I think these days it's easier with them. It's not, sometimes they do have their own energy, their own stuff, but it's better. Now that they are getting older, it's becoming more easier for me, and I'm beginning to accept that look, they are kids. It's stages. So yes, nothing much to do. I'm still in my 90. So what I'm going to do today is, guys, I can't believe I actually called some handymen. Mostly it's their uncle who comes to like do all our work. So to them, what I did was I called, not today. Can I get a kiss? Ethan, can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? I beg you.
No, fine. Let's use once more. No, I'm fine. Let's use once more. Kisses.
Yeah, so that's Ethan for now. Ethan, he loves singing, so that's it. And I love this trap door, not for him to go inside, which he ran into his room. So guys, this is it. Look, this room has turned into the junk room of the house, which I realize is not nice. I need to create this room for these kids. So what I need to do is, all these things are going to be taken off. Look, the junk room of the house. In fact, this used to be Leo's room whilst I move him to Ethan's room. So it needs to stand back to its original state, which is playroom stroke visitors room. So that's why I'm waiting for their uncle, one of their Uncle Black, to come to help me with it, because it's better to like keep it clean than to just leave it this way. It's not nice. I don't know. I need to shave. I don't feel comfortable when like this hair grow, and every 2-3 days it grows, which is serious. So I don't know what to do. In fact, I'm planning to go and do a laser hair remover, but it's another cost. But I have to just do it. Because with that, I think it takes like 6 to, it depends, but I think it's the best than this every 3 weeks. And guys, look, it has actually leave some marks on my, I don't like this marks. It's very bad. Because I don't really have like a lot of marks on my face, but like because of this hair, look at what it has left. It's very bad. Yeah. So, and I need to go and shave my hair, guys. I've dyed it. I need to dye it again. Oh no, I've bleached it and dye it, but I need to bleach and dye it again because I need a grey color. And it's actually not giving me a grey color. I need to go and shave. With shaving, I will not do it this week because the kids are home. Next week, Ethan is starting school on Monday. Leo is going on Tuesday, and so probably after Tuesday. And guys, I started this driving lesson with a manual car, but I think it's not actually going to help me. I need to go to have an automatic lesson. That's what I need to do now. So, change of plans, extra costs, but I'm happy. I'm happy sometimes like I spend some money on myself to improve things in my life. Yeah, that's all what I'm doing. I love Ethan's room. I think the whole house, Ethan's room have some natural light. It brings your natural color. Even the living room, it brings natural light. But I love Ethan's. I think if I want to do a sit down video, I love to do it in Ethan's room. I love the light it brings, you know, the morning light. It brings the morning light, and yes, the morning the light hits the room, and in the evening it goes to my side and Leo's side of the room and the living room. But I love this light, and I'm loving my skin. After my skin, I've always loved my skin. My skin is something I've never gone wrong with it, because I don't touch anything with my skin like bleaching cream or something. No, it's just natural. I always believe when you use those bleaching cream and stuff and you lose your natural color, you not get it again no matter how you treat it. So yeah, I love it. Yes, Leo, I'm in Coco's room. Yeah, I'm in Coco's room. Leo, I'm in Coco's room. I'm recording.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, guys, so that's it. I'm waiting for their uncle to come around to help me make Leo's new bed. Then I have this visitor's bed stroke sofa, bed and storage. Then some few things. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm waiting for, nothing much. Guys, today is Tuesday here. The kids are in school, thank God. So what's going on? I don't know, guys. There's a lot of things going on in this house. Like, most of the things are okay. It's working. So if it's working, why is this thing off? Okay, guys, the heater is not working in the house. The hot water is not working, and now I have a spare small heater. It's also not working. So what I need to do today is, I was supposed to go to the post office. I don't know, the post office at my place, they used to receive Amazon returns. Now they said they don't do. They only do like when you miss like your package, you just pick it from there. So guys, I'm a bit stressed. I'm trying to watch one of my videos, which I downloaded yesterday. So I finished this part of the wardrobe. I'm just doing this part, then I'm done. Look, so that's what I'm about to do. Yesterday I couldn't finish. I was tired, and guys, look, I've hurt myself. Look at my finger. I've hurt myself a lot. Look at this. Sometimes it's just difficult, but what will I do? I have to do it because it was expensive. In fact, there was this handyman I called over. My neighbor told me they charge less, and the amount they were charging, it was crazy. So I called one of the kids' uncle and came to help me out, because the one who always does it for us is working and he's not getting time to do it. So yes, finally he's getting there. Everything is done. Just to organize, pack some of the clothes, because some of them are summer clothes. Yes, and do shopping for winter. Some of my clothes have been like over a year, 2 years, and some since I started having the kids, and I need to start doing shopping for winter. So stay tuned. Ah, I said it. Uncle Black is in the building. So guys, this is the kid Uncle Black. He's a musician. Leo's favorite uncle. They've been fighting, but they are favorites. Isn't it? Uncle Black. Hello. What's up? What's up? Say hello to everyone. So guys, this is people. Black.
How you doing?
I'm going to put he's a musician. I'm going to put his music in the description box below. He's coming to help me. He always helps me. In fact, he's my #1 fan when it comes to YouTube. He has always been supporting me. And guys, look at someone. Look at where he's gone to. Ethan. Inside.
Come.
Hey guys, look at my little pepper farm. Hey, I don't know why he like playing with this neighbor's farm. He's a good man.
Please.
Guys, look, the bed is made. I like it. It's cute and small, like Leo's body. So it's done. Ethan's bed has already been done. So the only thing is I'm going to swap the mattress because this mattress is really huge. So I'm going to swap the mattress instead and give. I think this is also coming up, but I think I prefer this one because this one is very huge. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So it's evening time. I need to go and prepare supper for these kids. That's it. See you tomorrow. Ethan. So guys, today it was very late. It's what's the time? I don't have a clock here. Oh no, I have my clock here. Let me check my clock. It's almost 6:40, guys. I've never had cooked this late. So today I just said, okay, I know I was going to prepare jollof, but I didn't cook it early. And I just did something like, the mistake I did was, I didn't really video the whole cooking. You know, I have to divide the steam into two. I just did something, I said, okay, let's have this for supper. And guys, this jollof came out very nice and delicious. I can't believe it. I didn't put any effort in this jollof. No preparation, no idea. Yes, darling.
I want this one.
You want this one? Yes. What is the name? Hmm? Yeah?
No, I want this one.
Which one?
No, over there.
Over there.
Yeah.
What's the name?
I want it.
Yeah, the name. I want the name.
I want to open it.
Open what?
I want to put the milk in this milk.
Okay, I get you now. You want to put the milk in the microwave, but you're not having milk. Look, I've prepared. Look, yummy. You want milk?
No.
Okay, if that's what you want to have for supper, fine. This is my jollof. And there's this sauce I have that I've put on it. I love this. I use coconut oil and I like the smell of it. So guys, I've prepared jollof, and this boy is telling me he wants cornflakes. This is what I do. I don't bother myself with whatever they want to eat. Look, I feel they've gotten to the age where they know what they want. And if conflicts they want, thank God they are going to have something in their tummy before they go to bed. That's my only stress. But if not, if they don't want to eat, guys, I don't bother my. At least they have their breakfast and lunch, which is the most important one. So if they don't want to have anything supper, I don't bother myself. They are kids, it's normal. This age, no stress for me. I'm done stressing myself. How can a human being be eating this for supper? Just only my kids. Not Ethan sometimes do, but and with Ethan, if I'm even having my food, he'll come and have some of mine, which I don't bother myself with. But this young man wants cornflakes. He gets his cornflakes, that's it. Ethan, come and eat. You want some?
What makes it arrogant and arrogant? Torque. Torque is power. You get some of these up.
Now we ending the world.
Well, like me Pappy used to say, the ones that hurt the most are the ones that get away. Well, you should know, does he have 2 wooden legs?
As a laugh, Fisher family picture. You okay, Max? Never be better, Mom. I thought I was going to lose you for a second.